What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, subscribers welcome. I appreciate the follow along and the viewing. And if you are viewing and you're not subscribed and you want to continue to follow Facebook, Apple, Tesla, all other different stocks. I even did one on Ford the other day. I do technical analysis. I try to do a couple every day if I can. Just kind of breaking down where these stocks may go in the near future, basically depending on technical analysis. And if you know anything much about trading, technical analysis is not a long-term trading strategy. It's just another tool that traders use to get a good understanding of where the stock currently is and where it possibly could go by looking at levels of resistance and support, trend lines, candlesticks. So that's what I'm doing here today on Facebook. We've been doing Facebook now for a couple weeks as we got in this area of support here. We watched it break out, kind of come up here on low volume, and then I really thought it could possibly pull back to 173. I've actually been practicing my iron condor skills on this with a fake account, just trying to work on those skills and set an iron condor up, thinking we had in between 187 and 166. So far it's held true, but however today we had a really strong push down and off a downgrade from an analyst stating that it's a $175 stock in the future. So we had a gap down, strong sell-off, but I don't like to trade on noise. I like to trade on what I see. So what do I see? Well, we have broke this level of support here. It did try to push back up to get up there. However, it failed to make it. Good bit of volume. However, if you look at the hourly, that good bit of volume is on selling. So not a great sign. It definitely looks like it's going to push back down to this 166, 166.50 range, which would be the low here. So if you're in long currently, this could be a position to add stocks to your position. If you're not in and you've been watching Facebook, this could be a terrific place to get in at. If it falls below here, which wouldn't be too much further down, you have this channel here that has been holding true for almost a year and a half now, where it has came down once and touched, and not ever again has it came down that low. It got close here, and then it made an attempt here on a big sell-off. So it looks to me like anywhere in this ballpark between, let me get this here, anywhere between 163 to 168 is going to be a great buy in the long term, just on what I'm seeing. I do think buyers will step in here and hopefully reverse this thing. Plus you'll get a double bottom here, which would be a bullish sign. Looking at the weekly, which today is Tuesday, so it's too early to be looking at weekly, and this is winding the iron condor as you have seen some indecisive at the bottom, seen some indecisive at the top, and you have all these levels of resistance to get through. Go back to the daily here. We do have this wick where it pushed up. However, it pushed up on decreasing volume, and the higher volume was on a down sale here at the very end of the day. So this is what I'm currently looking at. Is this 166, 167 range? Let's see how tomorrow holds. It could kind of go sideways here and start to go back up, or it could be another strong sell-off in the morning where it goes in here and touches that 166.50 range and then reverses and starts heading back north. So let's get back to this tomorrow to see where we stand. So guys, I hope you appreciate the video. I appreciate the viewing, and if you want to follow along, please go ahead and subscribe, and if you got any comments, go ahead and ask any questions you have below. Alright guys, I appreciate it, and have a good one.